Hi there, students. Cavalier. Well, cavalier can be an adjective or a noun, but most commonly we use it as an adjective. We use it as an adjective meaning not caring enough about something important. So very often, for example, the collocation, a cavalier attitude, or to be cavalier about something. This company appears to be very cavalier about safety. They don't pay enough attention to safety. They are reckless. Hey, let's just do it without considering how this might affect other people. To be reckless. He's very cavalier about money. He spends money as if it grows on trees. Yeah? So he's very cavalier about this. He doesn't care enough about it. He doesn't pay enough attention to it. Cavalier. You could use it meaning not when you're not considering other people's feelings or safety. Yeah, your attitude is very free and without care, even though this might affect other people's health, other people's safety. Now let's see, a cavalier. This word comes from British history. There was a civil war in England in the 17th century between Oliver Cromwell, the Parliament, and King Charles I. And the people who supported the king, the royalists, were called the Cavaliers. Yeah, and these were normally rich people. They were well dressed. They were normally of high status, whereas many of the people who supported the Parliament, the Roundheads, were more of the workers. So this is the traditional struggle of the left versus the right. So the British Civil War, the English Civil War, was the Cavaliers against the Roundheads, the Republicans against the Royalists. So to be cavalier about something, to have an attitude where you don't pay attention to it, you're not bothered about it, it's not relevant, you're very offhand and disdainful about it, and you dismiss this as unimportant. So maybe the country has a cavalier disregard for the rights of the people within its country. Yeah, they don't pay enough attention to this. And notice, if you say somebody has a cavalier attitude, you're saying you're criticizing them. You're saying they're being haughty, brusque, disdainful. They're not paying enough attention to something that's important. Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe many people, when they're young, are very cavalier about their studies. They have a cavalier attitude to their studies because who needs to study? I'd rather be out playing. I guess you can also use this word cavalier to say somebody who is a very, very elegant, a dashing military man, something like that. Okay, so next question, formality. I think I'd probably give this a 6 in formality. I think you could use this in an informal conversation and in a very formal document. Although be careful in the informal conversation because it's a little bit on the formal side. Okay, and let's see. As in the origin, well, it comes from Cavalier in Middle French, which is a horseman. Cavaliere in Old Italian, a mounted soldier, and then originally from Latin, caballus, meaning a horse. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. it's clear you don't have a Cavalier attitude to English.